habits are everything, everything. I think that we are trained in habits from when we were children, including potty training and when to cry and when not to, and how to smile and when not to. And all of these things become habits. These are all behaviors that we learn and that we then integrate into ourselves. And then what ends up happening when we're older is that we're a collection of thousands, maybe tens of thousands of habit loops that are constantly running subconsciously, and they're internalized. And then we have a little bit of extra brain power in our neocortex for solving new problems. And so you become your habits. And what really brought this to light for me is our trainer gave me a routine to do every single day. And before that, I had never worked out every single day. And it's a light workout. It's not tough on your body. But I did this workout every single day, and I realized just the incredible, astonishing transformation that it had upon me, both physically and mentally, because I think to have peace of mind, you have to have peace of body first. So that taught me the power of habits. And after that, I started realizing that it's all about habits. So at any given time now, within a 6-month period, I'm either trying to pick up a good habit or I'm discarding a previously bad habit. And it takes time. So for example, if someone says, I want to be fit, I want to be healthy, but right now I'm out of shape and I'm fat. Well, nothing is going to work for you in 3 months. It's going to be sustainable. It's going to be a 10-year journey, at least. And in the 10-year journey, what you're going to do is every 6 months or every 3 months, depending on how fast you can do it, you're going to break bad habits and you're going to replace them, or you're going to pick up good habits. So I think it is all about habits. There is nothing else. So examples of habits I've picked up in the last 12 months or I'm still working on. I'm one of these people who wants everything, right? So I don't want to give up anything. So for example, if I want to stop eating bad foods, if I want to lose weight by fixing my diet, I don't say, these foods are bad, I'm not going to eat them, and then suffer and then feel like I'm not eating tasty food. Instead, what I do is I do some combination of changing my taste buds to actually like the foods that are healthier for me, and substituting unhealthy, tasty foods with healthy, tasty foods so that I can sustain it forever. I'm not interested in anything that is unsustainable or even hard to sustain. I want my life to be effortless. So once I've created a good habit, it has to be the kind of habit that I can sustain with no effort.